Maraming Pinoy boxer ang kaliwete. Yan ay pagdating sa boxing o yung tinatawag na Southpaw stance. 8th Division World Champion na si Manny Pacman Pacquiao. Pag tumama ang kaliwa, tsak, may paglalagyan ang kalaban. Nandyan din si Jerwin Pretty Boy Angkahas. Mayroon ding malupit na kaliwa, yumayanig at gumigiba ng kalaban. At marami pang Pinoy na boksingero na biniyayaan ng kaliwang kamao na kayang dumurog ng kalaban. Pero mayroon pang isa, ang binansagang The Filipino Flash na si Nonito Donaire. Pag bumira ng kaliwa, grabe ang lakas, sobrang diin, parang minamaso ang kalaban. Balikan natin ang ilan sa mga boksingero na nakatikim ng bangis ng kaliwa ng The Filipino Flash matapos mapasa kamay ang NABF Super Flyweight title. Isang malaking laban na ang pinasok ni Nonito Donaire. World title fight kontra sa nooy IBF at IBO Flyweight Champion na si Vic Darchinyan. Kilalang matigas at ayaw padaig na boksingero, pero nagulat ang Armenian-Australian sa naging resulta ng laban.
There's the jab by Nonito Donaire working well. Oh my, look out, Darchinyan down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet. In terrible shape, it's all over. It's all over.
Sa paningin ni Darchinyan, tila tsamba lang ang panalo sa kanya ni Donaire. Kaya matapos ang 6 na taon, muli silang nagharap at sinabing pagriretiruhin niya na ang overrated na si Nonito Donaire.
Gonna send him retirement and no one gonna remember him.
So you think he's overrated a little bit?
He's not a little bit.
A lot of it? You think he's overrated a lot of it?
Nang maging world champion, maraming humamong kay Donaire. Isa na dyan ang world-rated boxer na si Luis Maldonado ng Mexico. Number 4 in the world sa Super Flyweight Division. Ang boksingerong hindi basta-basta umaayaw sa laban.
Donaire looking to end it in dramatic fashion. Oh, belting him to the body with the left, and that is it. Now,
– 2009 naman nang makaharap ni Donaire sa sariling bayan ang American boxer na si Raul Martinez. Kauna-unahang malaking laban ni Donaire sa Pilipinas.
And the referee just ended the fight. Podgorski just...
Yourself all times, understood?
Yes, sir.
Touch him up. Buena suerte, play Olympia.
Trying to pay the guy back, and that's dangerous. It's great, and I think he'll have a... Lawrence Cole waves his arm.
Stop the fight in the case of an accidental foul. We go to the scorecards after 4. That's Dan Rex Tadasan, a disciple of Bruce McTavish, the great Hall. So Tool will get his... Oh, there's a right hand, drops him for the 3rd time in the fight. 3. It's up to 3 and 4 and 5. Will he be able to get up 6, 7? And he's back up at 8. So down that time by a right hand. The 3rd time he's been down, and the corner throws in the towel, saying...
Instructions downstairs. Remember, protect yourselves at all times. Keep your punches up. Remember, bone here on up. So punches here are fine. Okay? Shake hands. Good luck to both of you.
The running belt has 3 knockouts in his... Left hand to the body by Donaire, scored. That one was blocked. Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka starts to do around...
Oh, down goes Nishioka from a counter shot.
4, 5, 6, 7. You sure you're okay? Hey!
Coming into this fight, he's been down 3 times in his career, down twice, and now the referee steps in and stops it.
Okay, trunks here are good. Trunks here are good. Anything below that line is a foul. Gentlemen, we went over the rules in the dressing room, so you know that I expect a clean fight. I want to remind you to protect yourself at all times, obey my commands at all times. I'll touch up.
ang ating mga boksingero, kaliwete man or kanan. Pero pagdating sa laban, tsak, bakbakan, walang atrasan at pang world class, kahit sino kayang kasahan. So yan po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw sa mga kaibigan at kababayan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga boxing fans at sa mga tulad kong OFW saan man panig sa mundo. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong aking video, paki-like at kung pwede, mag-subscribe na din po kayo. At para updated kayo sa aking mga video, pwede nyo i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Mr. Minandro Domingo ng KSA, Maharlika Fishing Vlog, Jalhil Samson, Joe Pans, Joja Ingas family ng Zamboanga City, Torrid Sarsaparilla, Marlo Rojas ng Alberta, Canada, kay Mr. Alfonso Cortado ng USA, Jenmerjan Garcia ng Macau, Silvan Vlogs, Kenneth Takan, Sharina Basalo, Ensyong TV, at kay Nonong Universal Vlogs. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking channel.